Now, welcome to your beautiful home. And we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. And today we have a unique and quality find for you. A 6-unit quality townhome development located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City in a gated subdivision. So you already have a private gate for the entire development and you have a secondary level of protection from the village guardhouse as well. And right now, as of the making of this video, all 6 units are available. So, as you can see, we have 6 units available right now. 3 here on the left, and 3 here on the other side. And I love how wide the road is and the space between the units. And you can see it has such a modern design for the entire development. Right now, we're gonna take a look at the middle unit right here. To give you an idea, the first 2 corner units have the same measurement, and we have a video for that right here. And you also have the middle units, which also have a similar size. And then you have the end units, which also have a similar size, and each has its own charm. And right now, we're gonna take a look here at Unit 2. So you have Unit 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6. Unit 2 has a lot area of 132 square meters and a floor area of approximately 306 square meters. It's a 5-room property with a carport for 2 vehicles. Let's go. So as you can see, you have a nice parking area right here. Can very comfortably fit 2 vehicles. And then over here, let's head on over towards our main entry. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. What's great about this development is all the units already come with the air conditioning units, which are going to be installed. And you have a nice open layout, a beautiful canvas so that you can give your own personal aesthetic after purchasing the property, depending on how you want to design it and the type of furniture you'd like to place here. But the large picture window at the front of the property gives you so much natural light. And we're filming this in the late afternoon so you can see the beauty of the lighting. So you have your living and dining space, and then from there you have your powder room. So I'll just walk in so you can see the size. And then from your dining and living space, you have your kitchen. Your modern kitchen has subway tiles right here, and this is where your oven is going to be placed. And another great add-on for this development is it already has the oven, cooktop, and refrigerator already included with the price. Okay? And in terms of the utility area, we have this sliding door here, which gives you ventilation from the back area of the house towards the main living space. So this can be an additional space where you can potentially hang clothes. But on top of that, you have a nice laundry area right here, and you can potentially cover this up in the future as well. Now, we're going to take a look at the first room in the property here. Now, this room is a multi-purpose room. This can be a nice home office, playroom, music room, or even a guest room because it has a provision here already for the split type air conditioning unit, which will already be included because you will have air conditioning units for the living and dining space and the bedrooms for this development. And what's nice is you have fast access towards the powder room, which already has a bath area. Okay. We're here now in your staircase area, and what I like about this is it extends all the way to the third level, giving you ventilation across the 3 levels. And you also have beautiful natural wood for the staircase as well as the hallway space, and matches the railing as well. You also have tempered glass right here, maintaining the modern look for the property. And now let's begin by taking a look here at the second room. Now this is a significant size. You can see that this runs all along the front of the property. So these windows face out to the driveway of the development, and you have such a nice aesthetic for the colors that they chose for the cabinetry. And this is where you'll have your split type air conditioning unit. And you have your ensuite bathroom right here. The bathroom has a nice mix of gray and earth tones, but still looks so modern. I love how it feels walking through the hallway. It doesn't feel constricted at all because of the design of the staircase. And right here, you have your primary bedroom. Now, this is an almost square-shaped room, and it's easily configured to have your king-sized bed right here, plenty of storage on the other side, and then this is where you can have your entertainment console. And what's nice is you have your master walk-in closet and bathroom here with the dark gray colored tiles, which still look very elegant, and they have a nice contrast with the large format light colored tiles here at the flooring. And then you have your tempered glass shower enclosure right here and a dual vanity sink space. I love the design of the sink right here. And then on top of the cabinets outside, you have additional storage right here. And now let's take a look at the third level of the property, where you have your fourth and fifth rooms. Let's go. Welcome to your third level. And look at how open your staircase looks from this angle. You can potentially have a beautiful light fixture right here, but that depends on your taste after purchasing the property. And now let's take a look here at your fourth room. Now I just want to mention the color and the design of the doors right here. They're very minimalist, but at the same time they feel very elegant and are a great contrast to the natural wood flooring. Now, what's nice is this room is the same size as the primary bedroom downstairs. So this is excellent even if you have family members who are already adults or working. This is a very ample size. And on this side, you have a shared bathroom. So you have a tempered glass sliding enclosure right here. Once again, nice modern aesthetic. And this wide sink right here, which leads to the fifth room. Now, this has currently been set up as a potential multi-purpose room because you can use this as an entertainment space. You already have this console area designed into the room's layout. And then you can have a sofa on this side. But of course, you can also maximize this as a bedroom. If you are going to use the previous bedroom as an in-law suite, meaning you have a child who just got married or is married with a young child, that can be their room, and then this can be the room for your grandchild. That's just an idea. Of course, this house has so many potential combinations of use, even for a couple who just got married. Okay? And this fifth room can of course be accessed from your hallway. But right now, it's time to explore one of the nicest features of this home, your spacious roof deck balcony space. Let's go. And here we are at your roof deck space. This is certainly much more than a balcony because you can have a couple of tables right here. I can imagine one of those large umbrellas placed on those circular outdoor tables where you can just lounge. And what's nice is you can access it from the hallway space. So if you have guests coming over, they don't need to go through the bedroom as well. But of course, you also have access directly from the room. Thank you for joining us, and that caps off our house tour of this beautiful brand new property here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature to our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.